Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I have here the Sam's Bead box, my favorite things, first anniversary box of March 2022. And I looked in it a little bit because you know me, I'm like a kid in Christmas when it comes to the beads. And let me just say, just when I think Sam and Rachel can't outdo themselves, they do. So this just talks about everything that's in the box. And it says March 2022 anniversary box, my favorite things. Back in March of 2021, I had the idea to start a monthly box full of pure bead joy. I offered the idea to the Sam's Bead Shop community, and oh man, did folks join in wholeheartedly. I don't think I'll ever get over the buzzing excitement when boxes arrive, followed by some pretty spectacular creations. For our first anniversary box, I curated a mix of my favorite things. I've often found that my personal bead favorites are also enjoyed by the community, so I hope this box really hits home. We've got a palette of luscious blues, earthy browns, and copper shine. Ooh. We've featured some of my favorite stones, apatite, bronzite, and coffee jasper, along with gorgeous collections of Capri sapphire check glass and a fun carved blue adventuring focal. So I hope you'll join us in our anniversary festivities. And it just goes on to, it says what's in here. There's, wow. So let's get started with, ooh, just feeling this little package is so exciting. Ooh. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to kind of go out of order. I just read off of the thing. And they sent us two of the Werthers. Love these. And their famous mint that they sent us. Okay. Okay, so let's get started here. So the first is Check Glass Moon Face, metallic bronze, 10 millimeter, 15 pieces. Ooh. Oh, look how cute those are. Little moon faces. Oh my gosh. Love. Okay. Number two is a check glass laser etched trifocal Picasso AB 12 by 19 millimeter one piece. I love Picasso finishes. Oh, how pretty. You can see that on there. So pretty. Okay. Next is Check Glass Flower of Life Coin Focal Picasso Window 19 millimeter one piece. Okay. Oh, so pretty. It's got the Picasso finish. Gorgeous. Okay. Ooh, more moon face. Check Glass Moody Heads Brown Mix 11 by 13 millimeters, 8 pieces. Oh, they're double-sided. Look how cute those are. Oh, how cute. Okay. Check Glass Saucer Bronze Luster 2 by 5 millimeter, 4.9 grams, 75 pieces. I am going to be busy today with these. Wow, so pretty. I love that. I love the luster on these. So beautiful. Okay. Check Glass Baroque, oh, cut Aqua Picasso 8 by 5 millimeter, 15 piece strand. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Oh. Wow. Look at the shimmer on those. And when you move it around in your hand like that, you can see it. Absolutely gorgeous. And then grade A, Appetite Smooth Round, 8x5mm, 12-piece strand. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. You know what's cool is I got these two, let me put this down. I got these two new Beadalon beading wire. I got it in black and I got it in bronze. Oh wait, and I got the other one. Hold on, let me get this one. This one's in satin gold. So like when you look at some of these colors, like those beads, they fit perfectly. And this bronze fits perfectly with these. So I am just going to be in all my glory creating here. So these are beautiful. And then Preciosa Crystal Bicone, 4mm, Colorado Topaz, 4mm, 50 pieces. Oh, just so pretty. Just so beautiful. I didn't take them all out. Oh, wow. Okay. Check glass faceted rondelle, Sandy Beach mix, 5x7mm, 25-piece strand. Ooh, look at these. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Just, wow. Just the glitter coming off of those. Oh, they outdid themselves again. Check glass fire polish faceted Hishi beads, clear sky, 4x8mm, 30 pieces. Oh, they're like table cut. Oh, how beautiful. Wow, I didn't take them all out. And then we've got Check Glass Melon Matte Bronze, 4x5mm, 50-piece strand. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh. See this, the little bit of the bronze coming through on these pieces. Okay, and then hand-cut crystal quartz freeform, variety of shapes and sizes, 6-piece set. Oh, pretty. Okay, so that one's on the top. Yeah, these are kind of, that's the hole right there. Yeah, these are really pretty. That hole's in the middle. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Ooh. Check glass diamond, bronze luster, 7x11mm, 22 pieces. Oh, I thought this was on a string. Oh gosh, these are beautiful. Oh, look at those. So pretty. Just the way they sparkle. The wheels are turning in my brain right now. Oh, this is cool. Blue Adventurine carved moon face, 24x35mm, 1 piece. And there's a glue-on bail included. Oh, and here's the glue-on bail. So I'll open that next. So here is the moon. Very pretty. Very pretty. And then the glue-on hard bail antique copper plate, 10x19mm, one piece. So you can glue that on and glue it on like that. And you have that. Okay. Bronzite smooth round, 8 by 5 millimeters, 7.5-inch strand. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. These beads, the quality of them is just amazing. The holes, everything's really nice in these. Okay. Ooh, Coffee Jasper Faceted Oval Focal, 17 by 25 millimeter, 3 pieces. Ooh. Oh, these are gorgeous. Wow. These are really pretty. Each one's got like a little bit of a different design to them. They're very rustic looking. Don't want to forget this thing at the end. And then this is Climbing Vine Charm Antique Copper, 14 by 15 millimeter, 2 pieces. Oh, this one's sealed. Let me see if I can get it open. Let me open this. Oh. Oh, very pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. These would be really cool for like dangle on the end of earrings. I'll just put those in a little baggie to make sure I don't lose them. And then Check Glass Druck Round Brown Bear Ombre Crackle, 8 millimeter, 25 pieces. Oh. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. And then Sam's Bead Box, Anniversary Box, March 2022, Capri Sapphire Collection. So, let me try and match. Check glass. Let me see, that's... Okay, Check Glass Flat Pear Brio Focal Capri Sapphire 18 by 29 millimeter, 1 piece, and Check Glass Flat Pear Brio Capri Sapphire 12 by 18 millimeter, 2 piece. This is pretty. Holds up at the top. This would be pretty to do this for a focal, like for a necklace. And then these could be like the dangle on earrings, or you could do something like, I actually think this would be cooler. You could do something like that with the necklace, you know, kind of just start it out and then have all the other beads. Very pretty. Do you like make your own pendant out of it? Okay. Check Glass Diamond Brio Capri Sapphire, 15 pieces. I think that's these. Yes, and they're more at the top. This could be a really cool, yeah, you could do that all the way up then. Maybe do something in between. It'd be really pretty. These are very pretty. And then Check Glass Faceted Check Glass Faceted Rondelle Capri Sapphire. I think that's these. 6 by 8.5 millimeters, 25 pieces. Yes, this is them. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow. Look at the sparkle on these babies. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. And the next is a Check Glass Cube Capri Sapphire, 6 millimeter, 20 grams, 50 pieces. Wow. These are gorgeous. These are absolutely gorgeous. And Last but not least, check glass spacer, Druck Capri Sapphire 4mm, 165 pieces. Wow, I'll just take some of these out. I don't want to. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Those. Well, I will say, I usually say, oh, I pick a favorite, but it's really hard with this because I think they're all my favorites. Sam, you outdid yourself again with this. Absolutely. There's 25 different things in this box. I'm blown away by this box this month. Like I always am with every other box though. Wow. So I will put another video up once I have so much fun playing around with these beads, and maybe I'll do a tutorial on something. Let me get my brain going and just kind of soak in all this beauty here, and then I will be able to put something up. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this. Do you guys get the monthly bead box from Sam's? And if you do, how you like this month. I totally think it's worth the price. It's just, the beads are just beautiful quality. And also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. And I also have my Etsy store link below if you'd like to follow me on that. So I hope you guys all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. And I will see you soon in my next video. Take care.